Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I'm going to make a very healthy pizza with whole wheat flour and I'm going to make it in a pan. Hope you enjoy my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take 1 cup whole wheat flour in a mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of oil and half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of yogurt and some whey. If you don't have whey, you can add more yogurt. Grate garlic into it as per taste, add salt as per taste and then knead to form a soft dough. Then add further half teaspoon of oil and roll the dough to cover it completely. Then cover and keep aside for half an hour. While the dough is resting, prepare the toppings. Slice onions longitudinally as shown to moderate thickness. Then separate the leaves of the onion as shown. Also slice some capsicum. I've used yellow and red capsicum, but you can use what you like. You can also alter the toppings as per your choice. Heat half a tablespoon of oil in a pan and then add the chopped onions. Saute for a couple of minutes till they start turning soft but still retain the crunchiness. Then add the chopped capsicum and saute till they start turning soft, though still retaining its crunchiness. Wash and finely chop spinach as shown in the video. After the dough has rested, you can see it's become a bit swollen. Add half a teaspoon of sunflower oil and knead it again. This will make it soft and easily pliable. Divide the dough into 2 portions and roll it between your palms to form a flattened shape. Dust flour over the rolling board and place one of the portions on it and roll it into a flat shape as shown. You can keep it as thick or thin as you want. Pierce it multiple times with a fork. This will prevent it from puffing up. Place it in a non-stick pan. Spread some tomato puree over it and top it with spinach leaves that you've cut. Then top it with the capsicum and onion mixture that you have prepared. Sprinkle some grated cheddar cheese over it. You can use more or less depending on your choice. Sprinkle some red chili flakes over it. Cook covered on low flame for 10 minutes or till the cheese melts. Transfer it into a serving plate, cut into pieces and serve.